Hey YouTube, it's Average Guy 47 coming back at you again with a video topic that I'm sure we all can do without, but needless to say, I feel like I need to vent. Anyway, what you see here in front of you is a brick of average quality, sorry Remington, but that's the truth, 22 LR. This is the last brick I purchased, ordered on the internet back in December of 2013, and not including shipping, this brick ran about $40. This very same brick, look on the internet today, is running anywhere between $60 to $70. Whatever the math is, that's a pretty large percentage to go up in only 6 or 7 months time. I simply refuse to pay more than that for average quality 22 LR. I'm sorry, it's just ridiculous. Now what you see in front of you here is $100. This is the last batch I've ordered. And still, average quality. I was able to find these, which are hard to find anymore. And these run roughly $23 a box per 100 rounds. And that's a good price these days. I'm $100 right here. This is 22 Win Mag, but it's $100. Wasn't too long ago, and if I was going to spend $100 on 22 LR ammo, I could fill my workbench here with good quality stuff. Now, this is what we're reduced to. You know, it's borderline ridiculous. Well, not even, I think, across the border, but it's a pretty sad state of affairs for new shooters, young kids wanting to go out and just plank or whatever, or even just other shooters just want to practice at a quote unquote using inexpensive ammo or inexpensive weapons. So yeah, very sad state of affairs. Alright, sorry, had to vent. Alright YouTube, as always, stay safe and support the Second Amendment.